Hello people, after so long I'm shooting this video, and the cutest part, now I have my 4 year old, no, yeah, he's going to be 6, yeah, my 5 year old, 6 year old little son, and my niece who's also 6 actually. They also imitate and they make these cute little videos themselves, and I should probably teach them how to upload it on YouTube, then that'll be cute. So anyway, I'm at this place called Suvali campus, which is in Bhongir. So it's a beautiful, beautiful place. And people, I've been in life is busy, right? Work and all of that. But right now, actually, we have a training session going on, so I need to get back there. But I thought I'll just shoot this little video, and there are these beautiful coconut palm trees. I mean, it's a beautiful place, yeah, this campus. So anyway, now it's a 1 minute video. So after so long, shooting after so long. So on that note, thanks for watching people, and please subscribe.